Okay, so let's show you now how to do the connections on the DVR itself. Obviously everything's at the business end around the back of the DVR. We did show you earlier on what all these ports are for. The cameras themselves, like we said earlier, it comes with two cameras, 720p, and you get the two extension cables. Okay, so first of all we'll show you how to connect the cables at the camera. You've got a red connector and a yellow connector. The red connector is the 12 volt power connection. This is a push fit. This actually goes to your power supply, and this one will go into your DVR. At this end here is where it connects to your camera. You will see they're classed as male and female, these red connectors. This is the male and this is the female. So the male will always connect to your camera. Bear with me 1 second. That's your power connector of your camera. It's a push fit. Simple as that. The connection, the B and C connection for the camera, you locate the two pins, push hard, twist clockwise, nice and tight. Okay, at the other end of the lead we connect into the DVR. First of all we take the yellow connector for the DVR, find channel 1, it's our first camera of the two, locate the pins, push and turn clockwise. For the power, we've got our power lead here. Before we plug it in at the mains, we make the connection, the push fit here. That's your male, that's your female, push fit, and that's done. And then we would obviously connect to the 240 volt supply. At the back here you've got your 4 camera inputs. Like we said, it comes with the 2 cameras, 720p. 2 more cameras are sold separately. You can contact your supplier for this. Okay, for our monitor we're going to use a VGA monitor. Again, it doesn't come with a monitor. A simple PC monitor will work. When you connect this, you'll see this is a D-type connector. Make sure you line it up correctly, push it in, and you turn the connectors either side to secure. Okay, your power lead for your DVR simply pushes in here, male into female, and then you have your on-off switch at the back. Ethernet cable plugs in here, that's just a push and lock. I'll show you from one here we have. So it's very simple. You have your pin at the top.
It comes with Ethernet cable.
Ethernet cable will be supplied in the kit. So you push it in, the lock connector in, and that's locked in place. If I can just show you at the front of the unit, finally, we have 2 USBs. The bottom one is for the mouse. Again, this only goes one way. You can see the connector with the gap, and this slots in like so. You're now ready to use the unit. We can power it up and then show you some of the on-screen menus.